So good morning students. In this video lecture, we will see the various parts of a hydropower plant and a brief definition or introduction to various hydropower plants related to renewable energy technology. Okay, so hydropower plants are the power plants which generates electricity using water power. So you can see this image. Important parts of hydropower plants are dam, which is constructed across a river for storing the water. It has intake, penstock, and surge chamber. This intake and penstock is used to supply water from dam to the turbine rotor blade. Then you can see generator, powerhouse, transmission lines, and river for supplying the used water to the river. As far as dam is concerned, the most hydropower plants uses a dam that holds back water, creating a large water reservoir that can be used as storage. Actually, in order to assure that sufficient amount of water for power generation should be available throughout the year across a river, a dam is constructed. It holds back the sufficient amount of water and that is used for generation of the electricity. In order to supply water from a dam to the turbine rotor blade, we have to use intake, penstock, and surge chamber. Gates in the dam open and gravity conducts the water through the penstock to the turbine. There is sometimes a head raise before the penstock. A surge chamber or tank is used to reduce surges in water pressure that could potentially damage or lead to increased stresses on the turbine. So you can see this image, you can see the dam, then gates, penstocks, and through this penstock, the water available in this dam is supplied to the turbine rotor blade for conversion of water power into mechanical power of the generator shaft or turbine shaft. This turbine shaft is connected to generator. Using EMF principle, the electricity is generated. In this powerhouse, the supplied electricity, generated electricity can be supplied through transmission lines at the point to be used. Okay, turbines is necessary for generation or conversion of water power into mechanical power. The water strikes the turbine blades and turns the turbine, which is attached to a generator by a shaft. The range of configurations possible with the generator above or next to the turbine. Most common type of turbine for hydropower plants used today is the Francis turbine, which allows a side-by-side configuration with the generator. It is a pressure, a reaction turbine. Francis turbine is a reaction turbine. Then comes the generator. As the turbine blades turn, the rotor inside the generator also turns and electric current is produced. As magnets rotate inside the fixed coil generators to produce alternating current. Then transformer is needed for stepping up or down the voltage available in the electrical power generated from this hydropower plant. Once electricity is generated, it has to be transmitted at the point of use. For this, transmission lines are used. Transmission line sends the electricity generated to a grid connection point or to a large industrial consumer directly, where the electricity is converted back to a lower voltage current and fed into the distribution network. Apart from this, an outflow is needed for passing the used water or water after conversion of hydropower into electricity back into the river. So finally, the used water is carried out through pipelines called tailwayes and re-enters the river downstream. This is known as outflows. So these are the important parts of hydropower plant. You can see the power plants which are concerned to the renewable energy technology or renewable energy system can be a small type hydropower plant, mini type hydropower plant, or micro type hydro plant. Now the question comes, what are these different kinds of power plants? So I will show you one slide where you can see one classification according to the capacity of hydropower plant. Capacity means the electricity generated by a hydropower plant. So you can see a micro hydropower plant is one in which the power generation or power output is up to 100 kilowatt. That kind of hydropower plant is known as micro hydropower plant. On the other hand, if power generated by a hydropower plant is in between zero point 0.1 megawatt or 100 kilowatt to 2 megawatt, then it is known as mini hydropower plant. Similarly, if the power generated by a hydropower plant is more than 2 megawatt and it lies between 2 to 25 megawatt, then it is known as small hydropower plant. So these three kinds of hydropower plants are concerned with renewable energies technology because these are constructed across a river which does not supply sufficient amount of water throughout the year for generation of the power. Very large size hydropower plants are not considered as renewable energy system. Okay, so only these micro, mini, and small hydropower plants are point of study as far as the subject renewable energy technology is concerned. Where we can see micro hydropower plant is a power plant whose generation capacity is less than 100 kilowatt. If generation capacity of hydropower plant lies between 100 kilowatt to 2 megawatt, that is known as mini hydropower plant. And if power plant is having capacity between 2 to 25 megawatt, that is known as a small hydropower plant. So this is enough for today's video. Thank you very much.